traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, July 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar actually did break down, structure to the downside, but we do have some pretty important news coming out of the US tonight, which is that Biden did decide to drop out of the presidential race for 2024. Now, normally if the market thinks that the Republicans are going to win, then that is actually usually pretty bearish for the US dollar and very bullish for the US stock markets and the US indices. Now, that doesn't mean that the US dollar is just going to drop when the market opens in a few hours and that the euro and the pound are just going to shoot up, but over the long term on the much higher time frames, I still think that there's a pretty good chance that this could be a wave 3 and that we could get the continuation of the uptrend. To me, this actually does kind of look like a 335 expanding flat, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3. So A, B, 3, 3, and then this could be 5 waves down for an expanding flat wave C. If it is, we are at the 50% Fibonacci. If this goes up, if it breaks structure, then I would definitely go long for the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't go up, if it doesn't break structure, then I would just continue to look for shorts every chance I got. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.